G'day mate, Saku here. Thank you for watching this lesson. This is volume 5 of English pronunciation series. Today let me tell you about English sound link. Sound link. Since people speak fast, English often sounds different to our imagination, especially for us Japanese. And at the same time, it makes the pronunciation more difficult. Actually, there are far more elements about English sound links than I can explain on this video. Today, for your better pronunciation, let me introduce just some of them. English sound link. In English, often, consonant and a vowel make one sound, like k plus r is ka, f plus a is fa, ch plus u is tu. Consonants, for example, k, g, s, z, sh. This is show, and sh. This is for jo. And there are so many t, d, cha, cha, This is letter J, but sound is Y sound. Ya, yo, J, A, ya. And O, B, V. These are TH sound. And this is deep N sound, not a chinko N sound. And w. These are consonants and vowels. Only main ones are E, U, E, and this is O, and this is in between R and E, and this is between O and U, and this is popular You can just say O plus U and roll your tongue. This is ぼさーっとした O. And this chonchon means long sound O. This is double vowel, which is called diphthong O. And chonchon plus R sound R. So this is K plus E plus T. Cat. This is ぼさっとした RKT, caught. This one, this A is A major. This one is always ぼさっとした R and TH, the and mother. And this is charity. This is A sounds have. And this is focus. Like this, a consonant and a vowel make one sound basically. Like ka, fa, tu. But sometimes this happens between words. For example, this word pronunciation is of course plus apple. But when you speak quick, these words get together and becomes like an apple. So it sounds like an apple. This sounds are of course on your own. But when you speak fast, they get together on neuron. So it sounds like on your own. This is sound change by the sound link. And as for T sound, when the T is in between two vowels, this T becomes like larirero. T becomes larirero. Yes, that's true. For example, check it out. Look, this T is in between two vowels, E and O. So this is iro. So this ITO is ira. So check it out. And not at all, but T, boing. So oralo. This part becomes araro, nararo. Next one, talk about it. T in between vowel and vowel. So this is 売り talk about it. So this part is pronounced as like about it. Talk about it. Now let's get together about sound change. When plus I is I when I. This is similar to the famous song and plus I. And yes. A lot of. This is a lot and T between O and O. A lot of. This is una. So this becomes as soon as. As soon as. This one, before and, there's and. So, then again, again and again. Close your eyes. But before eyes, you got R. So, rise. Your eyes. Close your eyes. D before of dove. And FI is V. Dove at the end of it. Under an August moon burning above. Look, RAN is run. August, no August. Above, but above. Under an August moon burning above. Would you like a cup of coffee? コーヒーいりますか? Here's D. So, Jew and cup of. This is POV. Jew like a cup of. Would you like a cup of coffee? We have to say, would you like a cup of? Can you give me a ring? 電話してくれる? As soon as だんだんたらすぐに you get there. 着いたらすぐ電話してくれる? This you is new and give me. Naz you. Get there. So this becomes like, can you give me a ring as soon as you get there? Can you give me a ring as soon as you get there? This is a big sound change. You had a pretty good practice, and I think now you got some feeling about English soundings. So now I'm going to give you a test. No, it's not a test. I just want you to have some experiment. No pressure. Using what we studied last 5 minutes, I want you to try pronouncing the following phrases. If the sound you make is correct, you can be more confident. If not, you can learn something. Now let's start anyways. It's not the test. It's experiment. Let's pronounce. There is an orange on your table. My hint is, before is there is R sound, and before a Z sound, Z plus R sound, before orange N sound, and before Y there's N. So when you speak faster, what happens to the sound? Can you try pronouncing it? Dozo. Did you do it? Answer is, there is an orange on your table. There is an orange on your table. There is an orange on your table. Next one. Mind your own business. My hint is, before your, you have D. Before O, you have R. What happens? Try pronouncing it. Dozo. Yes. Your own. Answer is, mind your own business. So this means 小さな親切、大きなお世話ね。Mind your own business. 自分のことだけ気にしといてちょうだいあんた。Next question. This one is better than yours. Before is you have N sound and this T is between two vowels. And before Y you have N. Try it. Ready? Go! Alright? Yeah, this is needs and better, yours. So this one is better than yours. This one is better than yours. Next, what do you think of it? Before of, k plus of, and of plus it. How does the sound change? You try it. Ready, go. Yes, curve it. Curve it. What do you think of it? When you speak, what do you fast? It sounds like what do you think of it? This is a real sound. It means どう思う? What time are you open until? My hint is before R you have M sound, and before until you have N sound. Try pronouncing it. Ready, どうぞ. Alright. Until. What time are you open until? What time are you open until? This is the sound. 何時まで空いてますか? Next, you see an old station on your right. My hint is before old, sound. And before or, sound, same system. And before your, what happens to the sound? Try it. Ready, どうぞ. Alright? Unold. On your right. So, you see an old station on your right. You see an old station on the right. You see an old station on the right. Now it's role play. First, you watch a short role play movie, and then later I get you to join the role play. Yes, you will talk to the movie and you can practice. Excited? Let's watch the movie anyways. Hey, where should I put your iPad?
Can you put it on my desk?
Sure.
Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate. What are you gonna do today?
I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend.
Sounds good. Where are you going?
Genpuka. Yakiniku.
Wow, that's the best yakiniku that I've ever had.
That's right. Do you want to come with us?
Can I? But you're with your girlfriend.
We don't mind at all. You're very welcome to come with us. As long as you don't bother us.
Definitely I will. Next, while looking at the skit again, I'm going to explain about each phrase. Hey, where should I put your iPad? Where should I put your iPad? A bit faster. Where should I put your iPad? Where should I put your iPad? Where should I put your iPad? iPad どこ置こうか?
Can you put it on my desk?
Can you put it on my desk? Can you put it on my desk? Can you put it on my desk? じゃあ机に置いてくれる? Sure. Sure, okay.
Thanks, mate.
Thanks, mate. あざーす. No worries, mate. What are you gonna do today? What are you gonna is going to do today? What are you gonna do today? What are you gonna do today? 今日の案すると
I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend.
I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend. I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend. I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend. ああ、彼女と飯行くよ。
Sounds good. What are you going?
Sounds cool. Where are you going? Where are you going? Where are you going? 良さそうやね。どこ行くと
玄風館。焼肉。
玄風館焼肉
Wow, that's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had.
That's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had. That's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had. That's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had. 今まで食った中で最高の焼肉やね。
That's right. Do you want to come with us?
Do you wanna is want to come with us? Do you wanna come with us? Do you wanna come with us? 一緒来る
Can I? But you're with your girlfriend.
Can I? But you are with your girlfriend. Can I? But you're with your girlfriend. Can I? But you're with your girlfriend. いいとでも彼女と一緒やろ
We don't mind at all.
We don't mind at all. We don't mind at all. We don't mind at all. Not all. 全然いいよ。
You're very welcome to come with us.
Your is you are. You're very welcome to come with us. You're very welcome to come with us. You're very welcome to come with us. お前なら歓迎さ。
As long as you don't bother us.
As long as you don't bother us. As long as you don't bother us. As long as you don't bother us. でも、ラブラブの邪魔せんでね。
Definitely I will.
Definitely I will. 絶対邪魔しちゃう。Now you join the skit. First, you play the part A. Part A is a guy with blue glasses.
Hey, where should I put your iPad?
Can you put it on my desk?
Sure.
Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate. What are you gonna do today?
I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend.
Sounds good. What are you going?
玄風館焼肉
Wow, that's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had.
That's right. Do you want to come with us?
Can I? But you're with your girlfriend.
We don't mind at all. You're very welcome to come with us. As long as you don't bother us.
Definitely I will.
Join the skit and you play the part B, the guy with the pink sunnies. You try it again.
Hey, where should I put your iPad?
Can you put it on my desk?
Sure.
Thanks, mate.
No worries, mate. What are you gonna do today?
I'm going out for a meal with Alicia, my girlfriend.
Sounds good. What are you going?
玄風館焼肉
Wow, that's the best 焼肉 that I've ever had.
That's right. Do you want to come with us?
Can I? But you're with your girlfriend.
We don't mind at all. You're very welcome to come with us. As long as you don't bother us.
Definitely I will.
You had a good practice? To be honest, today's content was pretty difficult and probably it's impossible to master it only with one time. If you did, you must be a genius. So I want you to practice with this video a couple of times. If you master this sound link, your English pronunciation will greatly improve. You will sound much cooler. Anyways, this is all for today. Thank you, mother for the rabbit. Okie dokie, artichoke. I'm sorry, hige sorry.